going?
Yes. So, okay, guys. It's top that, and today I'm gonna do like kind of like another pandemic video. But the first part of the pandemic video, I'm gonna show you this. So you probably wondering what it is. If you have TikTok, it's like these fruit drinks, but it's actually more like jelly. I saw a DIY on the channel, but they use Jello. But since I thought about it, there is this person on TikTok who like puts it in their mouth and then tries it. But they have like in the description, like they have something, and then they write down like what is inside of it. And one of them was like orange juice, and like I have orange juice in this, so I thought I can mix those together and try to like try this, because I just want to I want one, but like my mom and dad are like said today we'll think about it and like you'll show us one. I saw one that was $2, but it didn't look as colorful,
So where are you going to do this?
By the sink.
Let's go to the sink, just to be safe.
I don't know if I made it too small, but
We need to do the dishes, obviously.
yeah.
Okay.
So you might just not. Just don't look over here.
Do it over the sink.
Oh no, I got my shirt. Okay, so that was kind of like the purpose. Can I get like a towel? So it's obviously not that messy, and like a TikTok video when they try it. So the real ones are actually plastic. So when I think you're kind of close.
Did it work?
Yeah, so it did work, but it's obviously not like the real one, because like put it up a little bit. Okay, there. It's like not the real one, because the real one is actually like plastic. So on TikTok, because I saw like this video about it, on TikTok they like bite into it on the side, or like they bite into it like whole, like kind of like how I did it, like, but they do it on the side, and then they bite into it and they make it look easy. So if you have like the real ones, you actually, what they do is, well, the actually real way they do it, there's this tip, you cut it off and then you get all the stuff out. But they cut 2 slits, and then they just pretend like it's a little bit hard, and then they do it. But it's actually really hard if you like try to do it in real life.
So how was it?
It was good. Bye.
Okay.
Hey guys, so the next thing we're doing today, can you put it up a little more? Next thing we're doing today is a volcano. We forgot to film the first part, and
We added some baking soda into our little volcano here.
yeah, so it's this experiment thing. I don't know what kit it's called from, but
Kitchen science.
kitchen science, so it's really fun.
So we have our baking soda in there.
Oh,
And then we got to add a few.
we don't have red food coloring, so we're just using green. We were going to do another experiment instead of this one, but then we didn't have the colors that we needed, so.
Okay, let's set a few drops, but I think that's good. So that will make it foam, and it will slow down the craziness.
So it's our last thing, we just need to add the vinegar. And then should I add the food coloring now?
Yeah.
So how much?
A few drops. Oh, wait, hold on. Yeah, a few drops.
Well,
We don't have red, so we're doing green, so 3.
that's what I said. Okay.
Okay.
But
So
still
that will make it look more dramatic.
vomiting.
And the palm olive slows down the eruption and makes the volcano foam. So now we're going to put in a teaspoon of vinegar into the volcano and watch it erupt in bubbly lava.
Well, are we supposed to mix it all or anything?
Nope, I don't think so. Here,
Okay.
take that. I'll give it to you to done.
So this is really fun. I love doing experiments, and this is very fun. So after this, we're going to be not doing
Oh,
ice
boy.
cream. We're going to be doing something.
This is going to be tough.
Oh, jeez. Maybe you want to put it over the plate? No, oh, no, that would be dumb. That's good, I think.
One more little slurp. Okay.
Okay, I want to add it in. Hopefully this doesn't fail. But none of the like stuff is from the experiment kit, so we could probably do this again.
Okay, here we go.
Please actually work. Oh, there. It's not green though. It just foams mostly because.
Any more?
Yeah, we should probably do more. I don't know what happened. Do you want to just like? This is like a tiny explosion, so that kind of failed-ish. You might have supposed to add more.
Should I add more?
Yes, you add it. Not doing anything.
Oh, there we go.
Okay, now it's a little bit better. Well, no wonder it says kitchen volcano. So you
Okay.
do this in the kitchen so it doesn't do any giant.
So when the vinegar and the baking soda are mixed together, a chemical reaction takes place, which produces carbon dioxide.
Okay, I'm gonna do like shots like.
That's hard. Ooh. That's okay.
There's barely any. Okay, so that's how. So this is how the volcano turned out. My mom's adding like a bunch like more. So if
you want like a ginormous volcano and you want it to like be like really crazy and stuff, that's you don't even have to use. That's true. And you can do it multiple times. You just have to wash it out because it'll kill the plastic if you. Yeah, so you want to do it again? Rinse it out. Again. So it's gonna be like take 2 because we can. So, but it was still like cool and stuff. It's just I don't know. I wonder.
we gotta figure out.
I wonder if it was actually supposed to go. I wonder if our just all of our stuff is just old or something. I don't know, but and.
Maybe we gotta mix it up. So we'll try.
That's what I. Didn't you hear me say
know.
that? Didn't you hear me say that?
So-
Are we supposed to mix it all or anything?
Nope. I don't think so.
So we're gonna
Here.
mix it and then
Yeah.
we're gonna have the stuff in because it wasn't even that green anyways. So if you watch this video and you want to do this and you have it or you're going to buy it, mix it. Well, actually we don't know that yet, but well, you'll see. You'll see.
You'll see.
But I just like
Okay.
it because you can do it multiple times. It's not just one.
I have like 3. So yeah, this is the time span it gave us. Just like 3 of those or 2. 3. You did 3. I don't know if we're going on exact measurements, but that's okay. Not really. I can mix it with that one. Okay, that's good. Oh, I got the hiccups. Here, put some of that in and I'll mix it up. Oh, you're gonna mix it up? Oh, I can already pull. Cheers. Okay, so 3 drops. Okay. I might put 4. That's okay. Mix it up. It never said to mix it up, I don't think. No, it doesn't, but we're gonna try it. Because we can do it multiple times. Oh, jeez. Just a big mess. I mean, put it all on side and put it more in. Oh, the office glue. Find it? Okay, I'll hold it. Yeah, so if you mix it, it's kind of hard. So, but you'll figure out if it's a good strategy to mix it. I hope it is because I don't want it to just fail. Kind of weird because last time it's a kitchen one, so I think it might have been meant to be like that. So, okay.
Okay, I think I got it.
I hope it works. You can pour it in this time if you want.
Alright.
Mom's gonna pour it in this time. I hope it actually like comes out green. We didn't have red.
Me too. Ready?
3, 2, 1. Blue.
Oh, much better this time.
It's better. It's better. We just have to add more and stuff. We could have got a bigger spoon or something.
Oh, good call. Actually,
But
pretty
don't
cool.
don't use a ginormous one. I did a bunch of like shots like. So now it's actually green. So mix it if you get it.
Cool. I think so. Imagine we put like pieces of like toy food in it.
Slurp.
Swirl.
Yeah. Okay. So that is the
It's that
So
situation.
let's go. So, like I said, if you want a big explosion, like a big one, I would maybe not recommend this. Except if you're like really good at science and you could fix it somehow and like be like, oh, you just have to add this to make it like work or something. Do that. So this, yeah.
All right.